tree thought it was safe up there. Baby Garanukes unlocked vertical mode.
Doggo definitely deserves lots of candy for such an awesome Halloween outfit. This furball's dark under-eye circles really explains why these kiddos got shipped straight to Human. No enemies are eternal, only the comfort of warmth is.
When the pride's stronger than the pain, Corgi really didn't want to lose her aura.
He's trying to read the weather. It's a bold strategy.
What are you doing?
Me in reality, and what I imagine myself in the mirror.
Don't ask. Stop asking. No. No. You can't have pancakes, then you stop listening. You're on a special diet.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more.
So much fun.
I have videos, so if the hammocks are damaged, they said.
Oh no!
Hope the owner likes wearing Husky Sparkle on their clothes. Sometimes their climbing abilities and 9 lives are literally the only things these furballs can think of.
What are you asking? Oh.
He's a strong, independent dog who makes his own bed.
Hi, Ellie. It's 2 a.m. Do you want to go out? Yeah? Go show me. Show me. Oh, is that how?
Outra vez? Outra vez, faz outra vez, faz. Faz outra vez, Cucanha.
Yeah, easy good boy.
What is the problem? What's wrong? Why are you acting like this?
Bruh.
Someone's just a baby who wants to grab everything in sight.
Is that right?
But this branch right now that this bird's on is...
Any guesses why this branch is floating? Drop a comment below.
When you have an English bulldog, you just try and have a cup of tea. Flood it, get your bum out the face now.
Cats and babies can be way closer and more compatible than you think. See ya!
Most dangerous animal on this planet.
A wolf trapped in the body of a hot dog.
Having two dogs means living with two completely different philosophies.
Sometimes, doing absolutely nothing is the ultimate sign of pampering, isn't it? This is totally when someone's provocation meets a proper warm-up.
Also called a complaint. Oh my god, Carol! Have to wait, Harry. Okay, proceed.
Taz, we're weaning. You can't.
Cats being famous for caring babies really makes sense, doesn't it?
Solder! Yeah!
Wow, this feels amazing. Wait, keep going. There you go. Don't make me remind you again.
Labradoodle logic. If it doesn't look like a 5-star meal, it's a no. Seal downloaded the dog dating app and got a match be like.
Cats will always remind us of their presence, just in their own quirky way.
Hello.
Did you just stomp your foot at me?
I just went back into my house.
You're so naughty.
Are you good?
Давай, на ворота йди. На ворота. На ворота, на ворота, вставай. Оп, хорош.
Hello, Coco. Bye. 3, 2, 1.
Water.
Havana, you need to get out of there. Come on, let's go. Get out. No, 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 get out. No, do not bite that. Havana.
Worried about cat and dog drama? Take a look at this and rest easy. Being chosen by cats makes us feel cared for and reminds us that someone truly needs us.
Bro saw a human doing pottery and immediately thought, I could improve this design. Calling a random forest cat and actually having it show up is a major flex.
You kidding me? A lion jaw can't get through?
Yeah, that's right. And those lions better be careful because the edges of the scales are sharp. And they can cut a lion, and they're almost impossible to pry open.
Oh, yeah, she's happy now.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
No, él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no veo problema.
When your personal trainer is a Ford Explorer with a siren.
And just like that, a dog person's created. No turning back now. Thanks.
Seems like there's only one kangaroo knowing how to enjoy a sunny day properly.
This is what they have. It's remote control. But it's got to be hardwired. It's like a computer.
Oh. Is that really nice? Is that really nice?
The dog is rethinking which paw he stepped on the door with that day.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's chicken. Oh yeah, this is chicken nugget.